have made it to Mt.Saramati. I'm here. Slip high. So how I'm going to get down is that I'm going to... You are almost there. 20 minutes to reach base camp. So base camp punchile 20 minutes here. So I think we are near. Yeah, let's go. So they were saying that a Naga national worker was lost in that part of the jungle, and his body and the gun was never found. Tala body aro bonduk to panai ushi. Jungle bishi vast asu harili do olaw na pada. Jungle is very big, so if you don't know how to survive in the jungle, just not go. So guys, there's the base camp. Oh, finally you can see the base camp and see. Oh, musty. So guys, finally we have reached the base camp, but some have not arrived yet. Kumada ahinay. Baki duita or guide duita bi ahinay. Limon ahina. Punchina say there. So it's a big relief for us. So we do. This is a base camp here. Rice banawle ready karina say there. And then today kumola lewi today tagibo. Ande. 하와도 단다도 올라가서 There's a chill in the air. Woo! Latecomers. Latecomers are not allowed. Sakal tayo na tayo na. Welcome back to Dimapur. Finally, everybody has reached the camp, the base camp, and we're just relaxing. And this is the potato and onion. We're going to cook tin fish. And guys, we're having dinner right now. Bat kaze. And yeah, it was. Yo, sup? Dunga is it? Tomorrow is a big day for us, so yeah, filling up on rice and potato and chutney. So guys, we're sleeping here. This is our guide, and then another one is also guide, and my brother here sleeping peacefully. We're sleeping back there, see. So guys, we just woke up right now. Our brother has woke up also, guide, and it's so freaking cold. Maybe we have to make to the top before the sunrise so that we can see the sunrise. So I'm gonna try to see. I'm didn't know again. Today punchuna. What do you freeze easily? Oh damn. Kaya dito tayo na marina hat pa marina kaya dito say tok tok marina. Jo, pura tan hoji tula do. 이거 pura is block hoji ka say na eh. Oh. Pura puti ka. Oh. We just to go over na. Ay. Asay na do. Hey.
Boiler to yate na second to fish hala kurtashe. Aro pacha hambi kandi tashe. Aro gauri bim ina mati tashe.
Bosti take nisna.
Oh, aro inaga pani kil pokole uncha tepra halapi kuri tashe. Wali bi achikali to manu pishira soapra. Ita tu awas pinna hona washe. Manupra ama manupra pari tashe. Aro ek par aman governor ahan tande rasta na bole chadam de uncha de Manu nisla pisha hala kurse. Aman tu manu asa wini tu setin thakise. Itu tindi pra aman pantok marise aro hala nakura hose. Nakura pra ita tu hala nakura hoi chase. Inuga hoi chase.
Base camp la story bisi thake koi na tula ta.
Oh, bisi thake. Mara disturb kurti pura na. Are ita to na.
Ita to thiki hoisi. One babar ghumai. Only last night my sapna in my sleep, in my dream, someone came and gave me something, you know, like if you're going to Saramati, take this kuina magina di like kiwa ekta luina jabi gune na hat pra kiwa ekta rushin sa ekta bandi na ekta magi di je kala di sapna na Ais to kina sa kaula masti se So guys, it's 10 a.m. in the morning and we are about to move from here, from our base camp to the top of the mountain. So yeah, see you there. We are at Saramati now, but not on the top. Ito bi top to punjali. Sabi do, ito pora. Pani do frozen hoina na hoje. Frost hoina na hoje. Pora sabi. Tanda mamli na he. Oh, what the man? देखिएगा बिरोड़े पूरा सही ना Oh, fish ekta tada dhul liza Another one here again, frozen stream. Oh, she sleepers there. Two, na, what sleepers there? Itu kata lah, juta lagai tu. Gujal kan mari. Oi tu ina ni situ jadi nasu. Ini sundar na. Kali ni cik jauh deh tu tu. Our guide is saying that up there we cannot see it. Boiling up because of the cold. It's very cold up there, so we'll just start a fire here and wait for the sun to come out. After that only we'll go, and we also watch the sunrise. For the busy, thanda for the najane de boina. Frozen stream. 5 a.m. in the morning. Mt.Saramati. See, I trekked the Mt.Saramati with these heavy leather boots. Pakla manu na krola. Umuwi paglay tagini. She gave up, but her friend. Tayo ay parisi. Aro tala makeup box piko tase. Tades. Kuder na kali makeup box rin. So we are putting the ice on the fire to put off the fire because if the fire goes away then it will be very dangerous for us. Chalo. Guys, I'm ready to Mt.Saramati. I'm here. Look at the view. India. That's at Quilpay. Myanmar. Pillar, water pillar. It's a water pillar. तो शुक्रबार साथी से कैप्चर गर्नु पर्यो त्यो कितने भी क्यामेरा लानु पर्यो शुक्रबार छैन चाहिँ अब त्यो हिजो सबैले त मेरो ट्रेक प्लेस हो नि come and visit this place is awesome so adventurous man this is army one army guide army यस्तो स्मार्ट আছে किमान चल्छ कोका किमान चल्छ या
মই
अ
মইতো
50 내가 원래 हमें सर्विस मार्ट আছে हेले भी अपना थेन भी मन लंबा बेम्बू निस्ना से पप्पा जय रो
ওই হো কম নিস্তা তো
गम निस्ना है ना जंगल छगुली निस्ना है से
ওই পুরমা লাগা চুটা আছে তো পাঁচু টিপি কম নিস্তা আছে
কোসা আছে
গাড়ি বসং লো বকলে আমি লোক কিমান করবে
ঠিক আছে that side is Myanmar never ending mountains guys the wind is so strong today shit ta kata se wind dole ro ala promogi narang khale jana gere side ta here gelo to na mo boy khana to side ta kar ke do dai without glove and proper gears don't come please if you're visiting in winter this snow down there you can see the snow I'll show you nice she made it she's a Naga girl so she made it because living in hilly areas she's used to walking but that girl she couldn't make it very beautiful guys, we're now on Mt.Saramati. Top जैसे and it's so windy. मन हवा मारे से Nagaland আছে it's so beautiful. See, top আছে वो आने में भी top ताई से guys, it's so windy man. It usually doesn't happen this usually doesn't happen like this but today I don't know it's so strong not because even the guide was saying that it doesn't happen like this 있어. 저거 놓고 있어. Going down. Good. 이쪽 발레를 정하세요. frozen street 발레. 아, 기름. Mana guys tadi. Anda aja pokok. So guys, I'm sitting on this frozen street. See, Anda aja pokok, and then this is slippery. So you have to wear spike shoes to. This sole is slip high. So how I'm going to get down is like this. Nice. Photo session. जुइले पनि आइसल्यो त तपाईँ भगेन गयो यस्तो There, it's India and Myanmar border. 137 pillar, right? 저기다 근데 지나가려 보이나 보고. My guide name is Tiger because he is very smart. Smart as that. Name is Tiger. See, we're just going down and down and down. But itu pillar kiman ase goa kokai
37 pillar
37 pillar na aru पहिला भित्र मानु हरि ना नापाइ जादो कुन दोला देछ
itu ase to
37 pillar ta is na tala bodi bi pane na bunduk khan koi bi na tak bi na
pane
se dangor jungle asu lebi
oi itu setin amakan manu nisla thakya na itu pra loi chala
jungle de kuma musaba durna khai disula
unika hobo bla
you will not see a single human work here. All jungle, no plantation, no house, nothing. For miles and miles and miles, mountain. Good na dikhiu de. Iman dangor jungle de thakiu ra he. Hari lebi na pai jole chances ase.